Here's an update on my symbiotic experiment with the bird feeder and the squirrel. The assigned task of the squirrel is to keep the fallen seeds in the tray clean, therefore preventing those dropped seeds from decaying due to rainwater. This feeder is about 12 feet high, and not only do squirrels have no fear of height, even if he falls like a cat, he will land on his feet and not be hurt. As you can see, the birds do not seem to be bothered by the squirrel at all. Whoa there, how about a little modesty? Look at this. He seems to be eating the plastic covering on the little pegs that the birds stand on. He's eaten almost all of them. Whoops, look out. Hang on.